Right now, something bigger than the stock market is happening, a shift that could change global finance for decades. War is no longer just about territory. It's about money, currency, and power. And if you're investing right now, you need to understand this. Most people are watching the news, but very few understand the real impact. This isn't just a conflict, it's a financial war. Oil routes are being disrupted, global trade is being controlled, and currencies are being challenged. And this is where things get serious, because when money systems shift, markets react. For decades, the global economy was built on one system: oil traded in dollars, trade settled in dollars, power controlled by the dollar. But now, that system is slowly breaking. Countries are starting to move away from dollar dominance and replacing it with alternative currencies. This is called de-dollarization. And this is not short-term noise. This is a long-term shift. Now let's connect this to your portfolio. Right now, markets are weak. Many investors are in loss. Volatility is increasing. This is not random. Because when uncertainty rises, money becomes defensive. And one key signal is this: when the dollar index rises, markets struggle. This inverse relationship is critical. Here's the difference between amateurs and smart investors. Amateurs panic, they overtrade, they chase losses. But smart investors reduce exposure, avoid aggressive positions, stay patient. And most importantly, they don't fight the market trend. Right now, this is not a buy everything market. It's a wait, observe, and protect capital phase. If the market is below major support levels or below long-term averages, do not aggressively buy. Wait, because entering early feels smart but often leads to losses. Instead, look for stability, look for confirmation, then act. Here's the truth most people ignore: you cannot control global events. You cannot control war. You cannot control macro shifts, but you can control your risk, your patience, your decisions, and in times like this, that's everything. Markets will recover. They always do. But the real question is, will you survive long enough to benefit? Because in finance, it's not about being fast. It's about being prepared.
If you found this valuable, hit like and subscribe to Future Finance Lab.